In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account. By the end, you'll have a brand new inbox and be ready to send and receive emails. I'll walk you through each screen and share a few helpful tips along the way to keep everything clear and simple. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to gmail.com. On the sign in page, look for the option to create a new account. When prompted, choose the type of account that fits your situation for personal use, for a child, or for work or business. Most people will pick personal use, while families managing a child's account or teams setting up work email can choose one of the other options. Next, enter your basic information. Type in your first and last name exactly as you want it to appear in your account. Click Next. You'll be asked for your date of birth and to select a gender. Enter accurate details here since they can help with account recovery and personalization. When you're ready, click Next again. Now it's time to choose your Gmail address. Type the username you want. If it's already taken, Google will suggest available alternatives, or you can try a different variation. Aim for something simple, professional, and memorable. Once you've found a username you're happy with, click Next. Create a strong password for your account. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Confirm the same password in the second box, then click Next. Consider using a password manager so you can keep this password unique and secure. For security, you'll verify your phone number, enter your number, and Google will text you a verification code. When the message arrives, type the code into the box and click Next. If the code doesn't show up right away, give it a moment or request a new one, and double check that the number you entered is correct. You'll then have the option to add a recovery email address. This is helpful if you ever forget your password or get locked out. If you have one, enter it now. If not, you can skip this step. Review the confirmation page and click Next. Finally, review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's worth scanning the key points so you understand how your data is used. When you're comfortable, click I agree. That's it. Your Gmail account is ready to use. You can now open your inbox, send a test email, and explore settings to personalize your experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.